Hello guys, here is a very important note that I have realized. I always do a reset on a Sunday so that my Monday or the whole week is run smoothly. But this Sunday I didn't do anything. I was just tired and lazy. So I went to bed when my kitchen is looking like that. When the tops are looking like this, the whole house is messy. So I went to sleep like that. Wake up in the morning on Monday, went to work, and when I come back, I have to deal with that. My day was not looking good at work, it was rough, and I came back with a headache, so I couldn't do it again. This is the second day of the top looking like that, and I am now forced to tidy up. So if you make your things right, you just maintain it throughout the whole week.